This is Management Information System project on Starbucks study case. The task is done between me, Ishmael Ogumade, and Paul Power.
The first topic we will cover on this presentation is the role of MIS technologies in the Starbucks business strategy. The Starbucks coffee shop handles its sales through an online payment system that allows the users to order online for their purchase ahead of time. The purchase made by the user of the website will come with a barcode that can be used to pay for the order. The code is scanned from your phone by a cashier, which reduces the amount of time that will be taken in the queue. The Starbucks Coffee Company also handles the custom beverages that the customer makes on the Frappuccino website by allowing them to place the order for their custom drink ahead of time at any of the coffee shops that they chose, and they can pick up their order.
Intranet is a communication network used in an organization which utilize the internet technology. Intranet serves as a medium for employees of Starbucks to share information and create a pool of documents and projects which can be accessed by all employees from different locations. The store portal, an intranet service for Starbucks, provide information such as recipe, tip, and news about the company to all the employees of Starbucks. An extranet is again a communication network use the internet technology. Extranet allows Starbucks employees to communicate with outsiders like supplier and customer. Starbucks provide a username and password for customer to create an account on their website. This customer can use the account they created to put money on their Starbucks payment card. BIS is a complex system used in an organization. Starbucks use business intelligence system to identify, extract, and analyze data for different operation needs. And this type of system is also used to predict future sales partner, summarize current costs, and forecast sales revenue for important business decision making. Starbucks Enterprise Digital System. Starbucks use many digital systems which help Starbucks in their day-to-day evaluating the business processing in many ways to achieve their goals, like a centralized system, leveraging digital technology system, transaction processing system, decision support system, and innovation. A centralized system. Starbucks use one centralized system to manage its supply chain and logistic network across the world. With this centralized system in place, Starbucks is able to operate and manage numerous distribution networks centrally with total control. The transaction processing system enables the Starbucks user to interact with the system in real time to collect, store, retrieve, and modify data. This basic organization system serve the operational level manager. The decision support system. This information system supports Starbucks in their day-to-day business operation. It's a computer application that analyzes business data for supporting operation and problem-solving tool. It serves the middle manager in many areas of the organization.
The next topic of this presentation is how Starbucks uses the wisdom of the crowd to add value to their business. Starbucks is able to use the wisdom of the crowd in order to expand their business by engaging with their customers through websites such as My Starbucks Idea and Frappuccino. My Starbucks Idea allows customers to engage with the business by submitting their own ideas to the website for new products, improving their current products, and improving upon the customer experience in a shop itself. Ideas are sent to the employees of the local Starbucks coffee shops, where they are met with a response from the employee which might approve of the idea, and the customer's ideas will be implemented in the Starbucks coffee shop to improve the overall experience. Ideas are approved depending on the number of votes received by viewers of the website. Frappuccino improves upon the customer experience as customers are able to customize and make their own drinks on the website. Their customized drinks can be sent directly to Starbucks, and the drink will be produced for them and possibly sold at Starbucks. The loyal customers to Starbucks feel appreciated by the company as their opinions are heard and understood by the Starbucks employees that respond to their requests on My Starbucks Idea and Frappuccino. These websites help in attracting new customers to the Starbucks coffee shop, as customers can recommend Starbucks to hundreds of viewers online through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. My Starbucks Idea and Frappuccino combine social listening, social customer relationship management, the wisdom of the crowd, and open innovation. The My Starbucks Idea web and Frappuccino websites save much more money per year on their R&D costs, as the websites are very effective at finding out new ideas for new and improved products and improving upon the in-store experience from customers directly. Overall, this saves the company a lot of time that they would have taken by coming up with their own ideas. Using My Starbucks Idea saves Starbucks tens of millions every year. There is also the reward card system in the Starbucks website that allows users to get free or reduced price on purchases made online. For customers that are buying coffee for a group of friends they have at work, they go on coffee runs where users will be able to order coffee for their colleagues and have it prepared ahead of time to be quickly collected. The final topic for our presentation is how Starbucks uses the Internet of Things to improve their MIS capabilities.
Proximity marketing is customer service, web connectivity, and data manipulation. The Internet of Things is not just happening in Starbucks alone, but also happen to improve on customer experience. It also empowers the staff of Starbucks. The Web of Things helps Starbucks to track many customers as possible using their Wi-Fi connectivities available for customer in store, which help the Starbucks to determine the best area to build their next store. Web of Things also help Starbucks to make their price slightly cheap and gain competitive edge, and it also give them the ability to analyze huge data, which gives Starbucks more understanding of what their customer needs and want. Data manipulation is another way that Starbucks improve upon productivity. Machine-to-machine interaction create efficiency and increase productivity and reduce the number of mistakes made by humans. As more devices become connected to the internet, it erases the need to enter data manually by the customer, which reduces the amount of time customer needs to wait on their order. Our next point is competitive strategy. One, the cost of leadership. Starbucks use technology connected through the Internet of Things to fundamentally shift the cost of doing business and reduce the cost of business processing and lower the cost of supplying material. For example, using online business to consumer and business to business model and e-procurement system to reduce operating costs. Differentiation is another point. Starbucks can use information system to develop and develop differentiated feature and to reduce competitive differentiation advantage. Using the My Starbucks Idea website and social network to better understanding and serve customer better. Using technology to create intermediary to offer value added service and improve customer experience. Innovation. Starbucks use internet and telecommunication network to provide better capability and opportunity for innovation. Combinational innovation and open innovation are two examples. Combinational innovation is a growth set of checklists and inspiration source that help Starbucks to develop new product and service innovation. Open innovation is an organization effort to engage and collaborate with external source and a partner in its process. Value change. Value chain. Starbucks has taken advantage of information system to add value and contribute to each part of an organization value chain. This includes interaction with external partner and strategy alliance. Cloud computing is another point we are going to talk about. Starbucks has taken advantage of cloud service. Starbucks uses Microsoft Office 365 for email and SQL cloud service, and it also uses Oracle Sybase for customer relationship management service for its loyalty service. The use of Oracle cloud service enables Starbucks to scale and migrate its old data to new one. Starbucks fridge now are connected to the Internet of Things to track the expiration of milk to allow the workers to perform their duties. They also have the cloud-based Clover for their customer to see what recipe they prefer, which helps Starbucks to improve its productivity and customer service.
Future possibilities for Starbucks regarding the Internet of Things include the ability to connect to coffee cups, which will allow Starbucks to track whether the customer uses sugar or cream with their coffee, how much they use, how fast they drink their coffee, and how big each sip is. This is an idea which could be implemented into Starbucks very soon, as it would give Starbucks new ideas on improving upon customer satisfaction and ensure customer loyalty. This is a list of references to research material that we used for this presentation.